In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the option to automatically turn off mobile hotspot on your OnePlus 13. So this is basically a battery saving feature so that when no device is connected to your hotspot, then it can automatically turn off. So you can enable or disable that feature by going to settings. Under the settings, go to connection and sharing, tap on that, and then go to personal hotspot, tap on that, and then go to automatically turn off personal hotspot. Now you can see it clearly says here automatically turn off the hotspot when no devices are connected for 10 minutes. So this is where you can enable that feature. This is going to help with battery saving, and if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off from here. For whatever reason you might want to turn it off, so enable and disable, that's why you do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.